Hopefully you are doing great. Today in this video, I am going to share that how you can get Cisco Cyber Security Certificate. It's either Introduction to Cybersecurity or Cybersecurity Essential, but it's Cisco Netiquette Certificate. First of all, find the link from the description of the video and click on the link and you can enroll by filling the form. I am just filling the form. You can write your own details, name, email, phone number. It's your own details and your city. After that, click on enroll now. And after clicking on the enroll now button, you will redirect to the Cisco Netiquette self-paced page. Uh, Select your country, birth month, birth year. Birth year will be more than 18 years. So I am going to find 2000. It's a random number. Click on next. Your name as per your CNIC or passport. Email. You can write any email, either it is already registered in Cisco Netiquette platform or it's a new one. You can write any email here. And again, state Islamabad and CAPTCHA 9 plus 6 15. And this check and click on email is not valid. So the email is valid, but see, there is no space here. But here before T, there are spaces. So click on before T and one backspace. So now email is okay. Click on submit. And after submitting the form, you see, thanks for enrolling. To get started, we emailed a link to activate your account. There are two process. If you already have account, so you just go to the netiquette.com, log in the same email and password, and find the course Introduction to Cybersecurity in your old Netiquette program. But if your email is new one, so you can perform the steps which I am following. Go to your email. Here is the mail from the Cisco. Click on Activate Account. It's the process if you are new one on the Netiquette. Select your password. Repeat the password. Click on Create My Account. And here you see the password is not fulfilling because it's a 12 character, a lowercase, uppercase, number, symbol. So I type again the password. Maybe it will working. Now create an account and it's okay. Now first name is okay. As you can change your first name and last name here after creating the account, but you can't change your birthday month and year. Click on I agree and click on your experience. You can type any experience, gender, female, disability, no. It's not required, just fill the form. Click on create an account. After creating, here you see module is Introduction to Cybersecurity is available in your Netiquette program. This portal is same and is same for those who already have an account. You can log in with the help of old Netiquette ID, email, password, and find the same course in your Netiquette account. And if you are new one, new email, so both of you can find same profile. So second step is how to get certificate. For certificate, click on the launch course. So there are two things on the module. One is course content. You can study any course content, any chapter as per your own time. Here you see chapter 1, chapter 2, chapter 3. You can read any chapter as per your own choice. But my today's scenario is I want to attempt the exam and after that I want to get a certificate. So for certificate, click on the end of course feedback. No need to study any chapter. Just click on end of the course feedback. Click on take assessment. Fill the course feedback. Continue. Begin assessment. And any maybe you select all. It's just a survey. You can say that. Either you study, either you don't study, just fill the survey form. Attempt every question and click on next one. I am not reading, I am just attempting, so you can read and then attempt. It's up to you. And this more than 20 hours. That how much time you have spent. And this Netiquette homepage. And this any select and then submit. You have just attempt the survey form, click on the submit. Now survey is complete, click close and go to the course completion and now click on the final exam. So for final exam, click on the take assessment. You have 1 hour to complete this exam and 21 items, like 21 questions. No need to study each question, just click on the copy the question. If you want to study, you can, but if you don't want to study, it's up to you. Split the window, open the Google, paste the question, and find the answer from the Google. Most of the questions are on the itexamanswer.net. So open these website. Now click on Control F, Control V. Here the answer is voice recognition, fingerprint. Click on next. You need to attempt each question like 21 questions, and the time limit is 1 hour. So go to you can click on the introduction to cybersecurity. Final exam maybe you find every question in here. Click on next and select FV and it's true because your main concern is to get certificate. You have time. After that you can study the course content because but the certificate time period is limited. So first of all get the certificate and after that you can study. This one next question is an ongoing effort. Next detection. Next. Now 16 is completed. Honeypot. And this DDoS. It's 18. Availability and next to gain advantage. Next. Control F, Control V. What's the answer? Place all IoT. Next. And after attempting last question, click on submit button to ensure company. Now click the submit button. Click on grade assessment. Now close the window. Open Netiquette. Here it is Netiquette. Your score is 100%. Go to home and wait for some time, maybe 15 to 20 minutes or half an hour. As you will find your certificate, go to the click on the name on the top of your profile. Click on certificate and letter. Now there is no certificate, but maybe wait for 15 to 20 minutes or maybe after 1 day you will find a certificate here. Here you see after 15 minutes you have find a certificate. It may take more than 15 minutes, but don't worry, you will find the certificate. Maybe you will see after 1 day. It's not an issue. Click on the get certificate. Click on the Shifkat Mahmood's for signature. Instructor appear on the certificate. Click on the submit, and here is the certificate. Open. Here is the certificate in PDF file. Right. Here is the name. It's the student name. It's academy name. It's a location. It's the date and it's the trainer name, instructor name. Signature is not required, but this certificate is enough. You can use this certificate in your CV. You can attempt the cybersecurity essential exam using the same process. And I also add the cybersecurity essential link in the description of the video. So I have added two links. One is Cybersecurity Essential and one is Intro to Cybersecurity. You can get both these certificate and both these certificates are free. Hopefully everything is clear, and if you have any query, any question, you can type the comment in the video description and we will reply you back. Take care. Bye bye.